Today guys, meron akong babahagi sa inyo. I-share ako sa inyo na isang PC rig na ginawa ko, no? Together with MSI, with ADATA, and of course, Deepcool. This rig, for me, na-try ko na siya, no? For the past 3 weeks. And today, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking full experience dito sa rig na ito, dito sa aking likod, na perfect for content creating, perfect for mild gaming, and of course, perfect for entertainment. Tara, simulan natin. Hi guys, I'm the Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And today, itong papakita ko sa new rig, no? For me, it's just simply perfect for entertainment purpose. And what do I mean by entertainment purpose? So, of course, you're just relaxing when you're doing your content creating, when you're doing your gaming, or you're just simply browsing through social media. And what's nice dito sa rig na ito, it's tama lang ka ng presyohan, no? Hindi siya sobrang mahal na mabubuta sa inyong bulsa, no? This one, I think, it's just average. And of course, right now, papakita sa inyo lahat ng ginamit ko dito, no? Starting from the monitor down all the way to the mouse. Let's start off with the monitor. So, meron natin dito is the Optix Mag 27. It's a e-sport gaming monitor, no? And there's a lot of things that you can... And to my surprise, itong monitor na to is very feature-packed, no? It has a higher refresh rate at 165 Hz. Then, of course, very fast ang kanyang response time at 1 ms. Then, at the same time, meron din siyang gaming OSD na application, adjustable din ang kanyang stand, and sa likod niya, meron pa siyang pa-RGB. And together with this one, meron siyang dalawang DP port and isang HDMI port. And what I noticed dito sa monitor na ito, it's very nice. Ang ganda ng kanyang display, no? Hindi siya yung very glare, na itama lang siya, no? Matte finish siya. And what I like dito sa kanya is very thin ang kanyang bezel sa sides. At the same time, adjustable siya, no? Pwede siya mag-tilt pababa, pwede siya mag-tilt, magtingala din. And of course, adjustable din ang kanyang height. And what's important dito sa monitor na ito, hindi siya masakit sa mata. Kahit medyo mga 6-7 hours na kung nakatitig dito, no? Okay pa rin sa aking mata. And ang storage na gamit natin dito sa rig na ito is no other than from ADATA. It's the ADATA Legend 710. This is a M.2 SSD na 1TB. I can say, no, this is probably one of the most inexpensive na storage na mabibili mo right now in the market. Lalo na if you're looking for gaming, you're looking for content creating without breaking the bank, this is the perfect solution. ADATA Legend 710. Then aking DDR4 is being powered by XPG, and this is the Spectrix D45G. And I know that this one, it has RGB support. So, perfect siya, no? Kaya-kaya niya si AMD, kaya-kaya niya si Intel. And this one supports Intel's XMP 2.0. It's the Extreme Memory Profile, no? And perfect na perfect to for overclocking. At the same time, support niya halos lahat ng RGB ng different boards. What I like about the XPG Spectrix D45G is yung kanyang rugged look. Ang graphics card na gamit natin today is the MSI na 1660 na Ventus XS na OC edition. Itong graphics card, I can say it's simply perfect when you're using it for Photoshop, for Premiere Pro, for AE, and all of your content creating needs. And kaya rin niya makipagsabayan sa mga gaming requirements ko as well. Ang main board na gamit natin today is a Micro ATX na board. It's powered by MSI na Mag B660M na Mortar Max Wi-Fi. And what I like about this one is supports TPM 2.0 and of course Windows 11 compatible. Ang daling gumamit nito guys, no? It's so easy to mount it inside my case. And ang pinakagusto ko dito sa kanya, no? May Wi-Fi na siya. And how can I forget ang ating processor? It's being powered by the Intel Core i5 na 12th gen, and this one is a LGA 1700 na i5 12600KF. And if you want more information about itong case na gamit natin, no, link up there. I'll pinakita ko doon sa video na yun. And ang case na gamit natin today is none other than Deepcool CH370 na WH. This one is the white variant, no, na Micro ATX case na meron ni Deepcool. Meron din tayo gaming mousepad, no, na Agility GD30. As well as meron tayo gamit na gaming headset, no. It's the MSI na Immerse GH30 version 2. I guess that's pretty much it for the quick introduction ng lahat ng gamit natin dito, no? So right now, guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking full experience na gamit ko dito, no? So basically, building this rig is very easy. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirapan, no? Kasi ang bilis i-mount dito sa loob ng case ni Deepcool. So first off, syempre, minount natin muna motherboard. Then sinunod muna natin M.2, ang kanyang memory. Then of course, inaisa natin ang AIO natin before natin kinabit ang processor. So after that, It's almost done. Then, of course, installing ng Windows 11 was a breeze. Then, of course, ang pinaka-importante dito is kailangan mo install ang MSI Center para lahat malalaro mo siya, no? From Mystic Lights and all the other things. And what's really nice about ito MSI Center, no? Even pag-update ng BIOS, kayang-kaya niya sa loob ng Windows. Now, basically for me, it's quite a powerful na rig na meron natin, no? Imagine, dalawang 16 gig na memory, no? And in-overclock natin to 3600. For me, the speed is quite good. Then, of course, powered by Intel na i5, together with a 1 terabyte na storage. I think more than enough siya for my content creating need. Whenever I do my content creating or playing games or just simply sit back, relax, watch a video dito sa rig na ito, no? One of my go-to na headset is this one. Si Immerse GH30 version 2 from MSI. I can say, no, what's nice dito sa kanya is very, sakto lang sa aking ulo. If I want to extend it a little bit, pwede ko siyang hilain like this one. No? So, sasakto lang siya sa akin. But most of the time, medyo nire-retract ko siya ng konti para mag-fit siya. Saktong-sakto sa akin. What's nice dito sa kanyang ear muff dito is hindi siya mainit. So, when I'm wearing this one for roughly mga 3-4 hours, okay na okay pa rin siya. Hindi masyado napapawis. As long as nasa loob na ng aircon or nakatutok sa yung electric fan, I don't think there's too much of a problem about yung init na itong ear muff na ito. No? For me, soft, comfy siya, and pwede mo pang kapitan ng mic, no? Though I rarely use mic kasi madalang naman ako may kausap naman sa Vigor video calls. But you can always attach yung microphone niya whenever you need it. Then, of course, ang experience ko together with this mouse. I can say itong mouse na ito, no, is definitely very sakto lang sa aking kamay. Whenever I'm using this mouse, pinaka-favorite part ko dito, no, is yung forward and backward button dito sa gilid, no. It's very, how do I say that? Undo, redo, no. So, very, very easy siya gamitin dito, nandito na sa side ko. As well as meron siyang RGB dito sa baba, no, na easily to be synced sa Mystic Light ng MSI, no, na board. Ang dali lang i-calibrate. So, nilagyan ko lang siya sa rainbow color. Then, of course, ang kanyang scroll wheel dito is very responsive and I like it lalo kung when you're browsing social media, scroll ka lang ng scroll, no? I-scroll lang ito ng mouse wheel. So, pwede mo rin calibrate siya kung ilang lines per scroll. So, para hindi ka mahirap. At pwede mo rin i-calibrate yung DPI dito, no? Whenever you need it. It's just a click here. Very easy to access. Itong everything dito sa mouse na ito. And itong mousepad na meron natin from MSI, I can say, saktong-saktuhan lang siya, no? Actually, more than enough for me. Nagtatry naman sa mga mousepad na medyo maliit lang. But this one is more than enough. Sakto. Perfect siya for content creating and perfect din siya for gaming as well. Now, itong keyboard naman na meron natin from MSI, gusto ko dito yung RGB light na dito, no? Sobrang nice siya, especially when you're gaming. Parang ang cool niyang tingnan. Sarap sa mata ko lang. Hindi lang siya umiilaw yung backlit lang. But you have a strip na LED light dito which gives it more accent dito sa keyboard. And experience naman dito for typing, for playing games. Okay, very responsive. And wala naman naging problem with this keypad. And what's even nicer for me, kasi I use a lot of spreadsheets. So okay na okay sa akin, may numpad dito sa gilid. And now, pag-usapan naman natin performance. Itong Deepcool na CH370, like I said in my previous video, no, very efficient siya pagdating sa cooling. Nilagyan natin sa max load under IDA 64, no. So sinagad natin, makita natin, no, on that video, ang temperature change niya from max load na nakasara yung case and max load na nakabukas yung case is just a 1 degree Celsius na difference lang, no? Which is, for me, this indicates na this case has a very nice na airflow sa loob. Kaya 1 degree Celsius lang kind of difference, no? And of course, very optimal din ang cooling system niya using the LS720 Deepcool. For me, ang dali niya i-mount. That's what I can say about itong kay Deepcool. It makes things easy for me as a PC enthusiast na nagbibuild ako ng mga sarili kong PC, no? Walang kahirap-hirap mag-build using mga meron ni Deepcool. Now, after using this rig for 3 weeks, mostly ginamit ko siya for content creating. And for me, usually pag nag-edit ako sa mga laptop, it takes me mga 40 minutes to render kasi medyo mabagal. And of course, using yung mga onboard lang na video card, no, sa mga laptops, medyo matagal talaga rendering. Lalo if you're rendering 4K na mahabang video, no, it takes almost forever for me to finish one video to export. medyo matagal, sayang oras, no? But with this one, it has cut down yung time ko, no, from mga roughly 45 minutes all the way down to 8 to 10 minutes rin. Doon na naglalaro siya, no? Which is for me definitely very efficient. And what's nice dito sa rig na ito, no, every time na nag-render ako, ang bilis, sobrang smooth. Wala akong na-feel na lag dito, no, sa rig na ito. And it's sobrang swabe. And gusto-gusto ko siyang gamitin, no, for content creating kasi it makes my life easier and mas mabilis ako mag-upload. Definitely mas okay for me. Then of course, importing some photos for editing sa Photoshop. Normally sa mga laptops, pag dinrag in mo, magkaantay ka siguro mga several seconds para mag-load lang. This one, pag drop in mo, load agad. So, I can say, no. So, definitely, it's very much efficient. Kasi, saves a lot of time. Kasi, halos wala kang waiting time dito sa PC na ito. And of course, there are some times gusto ko lang mag-relax. Watching some videos on YouTube and on Netflix. This one, sobrang smooth. Sarap sa mata, no. Itong monitor ni MSI. It gives me that relaxation, no, when you're watching videos. Lalo when you're watching mga dark scenes, sa mga Batman versus Superman, ang gano'n ka-dark. Okay, very nice. Black is blacker dito sa kanya. So, yung hindi siya masakit sa mata, no? Overall, I can say na it's very much enjoyable watching a lot of videos dito sa rig na ito. Actually, it's also perfect for watching anime, watching your favorite basketball shows, NBA. This monitor, sobrang okay. So, how about naman ka ng gaming performance dito sa rig na ito? I've tried 2 games dito, no? So, si Call of Duty na Modern Warfare 2 and of course, si Red Dead Redemption 2. So, both of these 2 games are one of my favorites, no? Si Call of Duty Mobile, okay naman sa kanya, no? I wouldn't say na kasing smooth siya ng 3080, no, na NVIDIA. But this one, it was able to give me that, yung tamang experience lang, no? I wouldn't say na yung super duper smooth, but yung gameplay niya, no, bababa mo na ng konti sa kanyang graphical settings. It can let you play the whole day. Walang problema. Halos wala ka mafe-feel na lags or frame drops. And of course, don't expect yung 1660 mo would be able to perform like the 3060 or 3080. This one's just yung parang mid-ranger lang siya, no? And for me, yung gameplay ko sa Call of Duty na Modern Warfare, okay, I was able to enjoy this game. Marami din tayo na wins, no, dito sa game na ito. And I was able to enjoy together with the mouse and keyboard. Ano naman siya, responsive naman siya for me. Now, pagdating naman sa Red Dead Redemption 2, itong game na ito, we know that it's a AAA na game. So, playing this game requires a little bit more heavy graphics, no? So, kailangan mo medyo talaga babaan konti ang kanyang graphical settings para medyo mas smoother ang kanyang takbo dito sa 1660. And overall, nakapaglaro naman ako, though, of course, ibang experience, no? When you're playing this game sa 3080, this one for me, it's a little bit hard na medyo tatakbo yung mga AAA games. So, don't expect too much from this one. Kasi this one for me, it's more of a parang mid-ranger lang siya. So, playing those AAA games might have a hard time running dito sa 1660. But other games like mga Valorant, kayang-kaya naman niya. So, ano masasabi ko naman dito sa rig nito for the past 3 weeks? So, of course, ang kanyang memory was fast. Definitely, si XPG na Spectrix D45G. And what I like dito sa kanyang storage, si ADATA na LS720, mabilis naman siya mag-read and write. So, especially transferring mga files ko, no? Kasi madalas ako mag-read and write kasi copying ng mga files ko for content creating. Kayang-kaya naman na may pagsabayan, no, together with yung aking requirements. So, and what's nice dito sa kanya, no, is that yung kanyang 1 terabyte is just around a little bit above 4,000 pesos, no? Hindi mo to mabibili sa ibang brand. Definitely, this one is one of the most affordable na nabili ko ng M.2 na SSD for my rig. Overall experience ko dito sa rig na ito, I can say good siya, and definitely, I would really want to recommend it to you, especially kung you're a content creator who uses a lot of mga graphics, no? This one, kaya-kaya na mag-handle. And if you're somebody who wants to sit back, relax, and of course, watch some videos, kaya-kaya din niya. As well as you like to play some games, kaya din niya. Except, don't expect too much sa mga AAA games nga lang. So guys, if you want to know lahat ng mga ginamit ko na components dito, check it on the description box below. I'll be posting it. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa akin channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?